Ravtek has also recently launched a premium headphone with active noise cancellation, so I could not stop myself from trying this one as well. Ravtek X10 is priced at Rs 15,000 and is ready to compete against premium headphone brands. But is this headphone really worth? Keep watching to know. Hey guys, I'm Dipankar back with another video, and before I talk about Ravtek X10, I request you to please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of our upcoming videos. First of all, let's have a look at the build quality of the headphone. The headphone comes with excellent build quality and is made to give you comfort. The headband has a metallic frame with high quality plastic over it. The top side of the headband also has cushion padding for comfort. The headband is expandable for proper fit. Ear cups are big to cover the whole ear, and the cushion padding over it is really soft for being comfortable. This is one of the most comfortable headphones I have ever used. It does not put any pressure on ears or head, and you can keep using it for hours without any kind of discomfort. It is also really light in weight, that also adds value in comfort. The space of ears is also large and deep to cover your whole ear. Ear cups can also be rotated in two directions. You can also fold it to keep inside the carry case. The right ear cup has several control keys, one slider to turn on or off active noise cancellation. There are also volume rockers along with a key to play or pause songs. These keys are easy to reach and recognize, so you can easily change tracks, increase or decrease volume whenever you want. Keys are made and arranged in a way so you can easily identify and use them. There is also a tiny LED light that turns blue when you activate active noise cancellation. There is another LED light to notify if the headphone is on or is plugged in for charging. It also has a 3.5mm port, so you can also use this headphone as a wired headphone. There is also a USB Type-C port for charging this headphone. As I said, you can plug in the aux cable to use this headphone as a wired headphone. Another good thing is that the company is also providing 3.5mm to 6.5mm jack converter, so you can use this headphone whenever it needs 6.5mm jack. The headphone features Qualcomm aptX codec for streaming high quality sound over Bluetooth, and the result is audible. Ravtek X10 impresses with its music experience. It produces an excellent rich sound that music lovers want. The headphone has well balanced music that includes good highs, nice bass and clear lows. The premium sound of the headphone justifies the price. That's the reason I now use this headphone while editing my videos. When you are listening to music even on loud volume, it does not leak much sound until the environment is too quiet. That's because it covers ears properly. The headphone features active noise cancellation technology to block ambient noise when needed. You can quickly turn it on or off by using a switch button at the right ear cup. Active noise cancellation works well and blocks most of the ambient noise. I tested the headphone at several places. Mostly I used the headphone at office where I usually hear several people's voice from all the corners around. After turning on the ANC, the headphone was able to reduce most of the noise, including typing sound and other kinds of noise, but not completely, and I feel it could have been better. I also used it in outdoors in busy Delhi streets. It stops a lot of noise, but sounds of horn could easily reach to my ears. While riding the bike, wind noise was also able to reach my ears. That means ANC is not as good as in high-end headphones. It features Bluetooth 5 and packs Qualcomm CSR8645 chipset. Bluetooth connectivity works well. As soon as you turn on the headphone, it automatically connects to the previously paired phone. It takes hardly 2 seconds in the whole process. It also remains connected as long as you are in the range. It also features a 3.5mm port to connect the auxiliary cable for using it as a wired headphone. The headphone also features a microphone for calling, but that doesn't impress, and it could have been better. It captures very low sound, so you will have to speak louder when using it for calls. This is the only downside I could see in this headphone. The battery is another strong point of the headphone. The fully charged headphone can last for up to 10 days. The headphone offers around 50 hours of battery backup without active noise cancellation, and if you use active noise cancellation, the battery backup will drop to 30 to 35 hours depending on how frequently you use ANC. Battery backup also depends on how loud you listen to music. I mostly used the headphone at 70% volume level. The headphone also supports fast charging, and it takes less than 3 hours in fully charging the headphone from 0 to 100%. Ravtek X10 is an excellent headphone to go with. I am now personally using it to assist me while editing videos. The headphone offers crystal clear sound with really good music quality. It is really comfortable and you can keep using it for hours without any problem. Battery backup is also really good. If you are looking for a good headphone in the price range of Rs 15,000, Ravtek X10 is recommended from my side. In case good ANC performance is your preference, you should look elsewhere. That was my review of Ravtek X10. If you want to ask anything, leave it in the comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.